What's up, guys? Today I got a package from Australia. We're gonna check it out. I kind of know what's in this, but I also kind of don't. Some new earpods. This looks like a new 30-pin USB cable. Cool. This one I'll put to the side maybe. Oh, I know what this is. This isn't related to this channel at all, but nonetheless. This thing. M.2 drive, cool. Oh, I know what these are. Okay. Alright, so we'll start with the hard drives. Is there a couple hard drives? Just the laptop ones. Apple, and two not apples. Terabyte, 250 gig. 250 gig. Okay, cool. Hopefully I can use those for something. This is the odd thing. I have a 2013 Caprice. Looks like that broke, but you know what? That's okay. I'll swap it for my car. I only need it mainly for this main part. For popping out like that for the fog lights. Mine doesn't have fog lights. And US spec cars never came with fog lights. My 2013 Caprice. Pontiac G8 buttons will work, but they're red. And all lights in my car, including the dash, is white, so it wouldn't really match right. But this will. And yeah, I can swap whatever I need to, colors over and stuff. Just need the basic thing, really. This iPod Mini shell. This should have some music on it. I might have to change the hard drive, or no, not the hard drive, the battery for shipping purposes, but it might work. I'm not sure. We'll let it charge and see what happens.